Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. In this video, I will explain about set part 1. The submaterial of Venn diagram is 1. Definition of set. 2. Element of set. 3. Ways to represent a set. 4. Universal set. 5. Subset. 6. Empty set. And 7. Venn diagram. What is the definition of set? Look at the following table. The table explains about example of collection that is not a set and collection that is a set. For example, collection that is not a set. Number 1. Collection The Big City in Indonesia. Number 2. Collection The Clever Student in 7th grade. And 3. Collection of your favorite foods. And then the example of collection that is a set. Number 1. Collection of the student having birthday on July. Number 2. Collection of the male student in 7th grade. And 3. Collection of 4-legged animal. So, we can conclude about set. A set is a clearly and well-defined collection of objects. Example: determine which of this collection are set and which are not set. Based the example, we know that number 1, the collection of beautiful girls is not set. Why? Because we cannot determine whether or not any girl belongs to it. For example, a boy says that Nia is a beautiful girl, but maybe his friend says that Nia is not a beautiful girl. And then number 2, the collection of prime number less than 20 is a set. Why? Because we can determine precisely whether or not a number belongs to it. For example, 2 is the collection of prime number less than 20. And then 4 is not a collection prime number less than 20. What is element of set? The teacher explained about draw result of World Cup 2018 in Russia. Element of set is the object contained in the set. Based the draw result FIFA World Cup 2018 in Russia, we conclude that Russia element in Group A, Argentina element in Group D, Australia element in Group C, but England not element in Group A, Colombia not element in Group B, and Korea Republic not element in Group D. In mathematics, to express element of a set, the symbol element is used, and to express not element of a set, the symbol not element is used. Example: if P is the set of even whole number less than 5, fill in the blanks with element or not element symbol. We know that the member of P is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 1. 0 is element of P. The symbol is. Number 2. 3 is an element of P. Number 3. Negative 2 is not element of P, and 2/3 is not element of P. The ways to represent a set. There are 3 ways to represent a set. First way to represent a set is represent a set in words. Represent a set in words is we describe about the properties of set. Look at the following example. Second way to represent a set is roster notation. Roster notation is we enumerate or list all elements in a set. Look at the following example. The member of M is 1, 3, 5, and 7, and the member of set P 2, 4, 6, 8, and the third way to represent a set is represent a set in set builder notation. In this method, we specify the rule of property or statement. Look at this notation. And look at this following example from set M and set P. If the set represents a set in builder notation. Universal set. The universal set, denoted by U, is the set of all possible elements used in a problem. Example of universal set. There are 3 sets, set E, P, and C. Write 3 possible universal sets for A, B, and C. 3 possible universal sets is set of integer, 2 set of real number, and 3 set of rational subset. Every element of one set is also an element of another set. We say the first set is a subset. Example, the member of A 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and B 2 and 3. We say that B is a subset of A, and the notation we use is B subset A. And the example number 2, let's see 1, 2, and 3 list all the subset of C. The subset of C are empty set 1, 2, 3, 1.2, 1.3, 2.3, and 1.2.3. So the number of subset of C is H. Empty set. The set with no element is called the empty set, and the symbol is. Example of empty set. Number 1. The set of prime number evenly divisible by 4. Example number 2. The set of whole number less than 0. And the set of months of the year that have 35 days. The empty set is always considered a subset of any set. Look at the question. Is this set 0 is empty? It is not empty set because it contains the element 0. Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a visual representation of set, the relation, and universal set. In a Venn diagram, the universal set is represented by a rectangle, and the sets are represented by the circle inside the rectangle. Please attention, look at the following step to draw a Venn diagram. Example: given the member of universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The member of A is 1, 2, and 3, and the member of B is 4, 5, and 6. Draw the Venn diagram. Paste the step. How to draw a Venn diagram? The first step is the universal set is usually represented by a rectangle, and then every set under consideration represented by a simple closed curve. Look at the member of set A and set B. The member of set A is 1, 2, and 3, and then the set of the member of set B is 4, 5, and 6. No members are the same between set A and set B, so the curves that are separated from each other. The kind of Venn diagram. There are 4 kinds of Venn diagram. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.